So here we are, cabinet day. Can't believe this day has come. It's like Christmas. Tim is here in the back. Barely fits in here without scraping his head on the ceiling. Looks like the BFG in here.
Yeah.
And we've got really nice, just basic plywood boxes. Nothing fancy, but they're fancier than melamine. These will hold together very, very tough. We've left the doors raw because there's a potential I might want to paint them down the road in case I'm bored and don't have a project. You know how I get. And yeah, so the space is definitely going to feel a bit smaller after today, but it's got to be done. So yeah, should be a pretty quick process. I'll time lapse it for you. So today is millwork day. Fine fellow Tim here,
Hello.
who can barely fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got head height issues. Has built this awesome millwork out of plywood, and I can't open the doors because that's a drawer, and so it's all loaded in. Space is going to look incredible once this is all done. So this will be today.